Alright, Fat Guys here. We're here at the Inland Empire Food Fest. Food Truck Fest. We're about to try Dogzilla. We'll let you know what it tastes like. Here's a recap from the IE Food Truck Festival. We visited 3 food trucks that had hot dogs. One of them was Dogzilla, the Greasy Wiener, and Stella Pierre. My review is Stella Pierre, I give him a 5. The hot dog was an all beef hot dog, but the bread was just a little too much for me. The taste was alright, so because of that I give him a 5.
I agree. Same here.
My second place goes to Dogzilla. Now that hot dog was actually pretty good. I give them a 6. So if you get to see Dogzilla, go visit them.
I give him a little bit lower 5 because I'm not one for Hawaiian bread, and they use the Hawaiian bread bun on a hot dog, which is creative and I can appreciate that, but other than that, the hot dog was really good.
My number 1 choice was the Greasy Wiener. Now the Greasy Wiener is a deep fried hot dog, and that actually is pretty good. You know, I loved it. I thought it was great. I give them a 7 out of a 10, of course, and if I can get back to having a hot dog from them again, I'm there.
I agree. A 7 for myself too. Really good hot dog. Really tasteful. The bun could have been a little bit better, but a fried hot dog was really good.
You can't beat a fried hot dog or anything fried.
Hell no.
All right, keep in touch, or we'll keep in touch. We'll let you know where we're at next. Follow us on Twitter at the Fat Guys 2010,
and keep eating.
We are.